Hi, this is a bit ad lib, so you'll have to bear with me. Over a year ago, I went in for a competition about it was Dragon Press, and they wanted a story about a dragon, and they also wanted well, they actually wanted some illustrations. So I thought, well, I'll go for it. I'll do the illustrations, but you had to invent a story as well, which was really difficult. So in front of us, what you see are small, these are storyboards, these images that I did, apart from a few that I've edited, just by sketching. And so I've noticed on the internet, looking at other illustrators, how some of them prefer, they like to do just sketching and finishing sketching. Or illustration, and some do computer illustration, graphics, or some do a mix. And my opinion is that it doesn't take long at all to do nowadays. Now that I've got a little bit quicker at it, doesn't take long to do the sketching. Whereas to finish it, it does take a while. So I want to show you the difference between one of these, one or two of these that I've done as a sketch, and the time that usually a day it takes me to actually finish it, and that's without putting any rendering, any colour on it. So here we go. Here's I'll move this up here. Here's the title that was chosen by an 8-year-old. I did 4 titles, and this is the one that an 8-year-old friend's daughter chose. And I'm doing this. So this is a sketch that would have taken me maximum of an hour, I reckon. I like it, and the story is about Oscar rescues some people from the London Eye. And Oscar's a young dragon. So I came up with this idea of it being above the one of the capsules, I think they call them, something like that, with 2 people in it who are being excited and stuff. So you start off with a drawing, and titles easy peasy in any program that does like Illustrator, but so that's easy, but tracing the lines and stuff like that, maybe there's a quicker way, but this is the way I did it. Okay, so I'll go straight from this to as though it's been done in minutes. Here we go. If I click this button that doesn't want to click, there it is. And that's it. That's what I want as a finish. It's not got any rendering on because I want to get this done fairly quickly so that the booklet or book can be coloured in by the person that receives it. So that's with all the lines carefully drawn. The character, if you look at the character, this character here, you'll notice it looks slightly different. A bit of a pointy nose there. And the girl here, not much different, I don't think, and that's it. Now it doesn't look much, but that took quite a while. So I won't get rid of the titles, but if I maybe show you the maybe an ellipse. That's part of the ellipse to get it dead right. Shape 3, don't know what that is, that's not doing anything. Background, there we go. So I've done it in bits and pieces. I'm getting better at this because you need to do one individual at a time. There's another background one here. Oh, that's with the white background. So that's the finished article of this one.